They loved you when you played small. They laughed as long as you stayed harmless. But something inside you knew this wasn't you. The moment you stop playing, everything changes. Discipline hits you like a punch. And suddenly, you're done being the joke. Focus makes you walk alone. Higher vision requires higher ground. And up here, you finally see who you can become. When they try to drag you back, life hits harder than they ever could. If you're done being the joke, step into your power. Follow for more.